Hi, I've got a math lesson for you. Today we're working on page 381, and it is ordering things by weight, by how much they weigh. So for example, I have some batteries today. I have this battery, I have this battery, and I have this battery. You might remember this one from when we were working with the wires, electricity with the bulbs. Now, if I wanted to put them in order, starting with the lightest going to the heaviest, this one weighs less than this one. This one weighs less than this one. So that would be the first one. Now let's check these ones. Which one weighs less? This one weighs less, so it would be next. It weighs more than this one, but it weighs less than this one. Then our last one would be the heaviest. So those words, lightest, heaviest, and this one is between. Let's check out something else. I have some rocks, stones actually. There's a stone. There's a stone. And there's a stone. If I take them, this one is heavier than this one. So for now, this is the lightest. But now I have to check these. This one is definitely lighter. But now I have to compare it with this one. Ooh, it's lighter than that one too. So this is the lightest. I already said that this was lighter, so this is the heaviest. And this one would be between. So we start with the lightest, between, and heaviest. Let's check one more. I have some books. Whoa. I'll bet you can tell that this one is the heaviest already. You saw me pick it up. Heaviest. Yeah, this one is lighter. So there's the lightest. And this one would be between. Lightest, between, heaviest. So let's take a look at our paper. And in that yellow duck, there's a shelf, a book, and a backpack that has some books in it. And the shelf is full of books. Which one of those do you think would be the lightest? Yes, just the one book. So we're going to put an X on that one. It is the lightest. Let's look at the red heart. There's a dog house, and a dish of dog food. Which one of those do you think would be the lightest? The dish of dog food, yes. Okay. Now let's go back. The yellow duck. Which one of those do you think would be the heaviest? We already know it's not the book. Which would be the heaviest? The backpack or the shelf full of books? The shelf. So put a circle around the shelf. And we'll go back down to that red heart. Which one? We already said the dish is the lightest, so we need to look at the dog and the dog house. Which one of those do you think is the heaviest? The dog house. So put a circle around the dog house. We go back, the one that is between gets a check mark. So a check mark on the backpack and a check mark on the dog. Flip it over. Now we need a crayon, yellow, red, and blue. We're going to use yellow to put a circle around the lightest. See the word beside it? Starts with that L, lightest. Beside the red crayon it says, good, between. And the blue one then is heaviest. So, yellow duck. We have a cat, a bag of cat food, and a toy, a cat toy. Which would be the heaviest? The cat would be the heaviest, so put a blue circle around the cat. Which one would be the lightest? Yellow circle around the toy. Red circle around the cat food. Good for you. Red heart, we have a teapot, a tea bag, and a cup of tea. Which one do you think would be the heaviest? Yes, the teapot. So put the blue circle around the teapot. If we look at the tea bag and the cup, which would be the lightest of those? The tea bag, circle that with yellow. Excuse me. And the cup would be between. It's red. Green clover. There's a pie, table, and a fork. Are we ready to eat? Sorry, I got a tickle. Which of those three would be the heaviest? The table, blue circle. Then look at the pie and the fork. Which would be the lightest of those? The fork, circle that with yellow, and then the pie gets red. If we go down to the bottom in the blue butterfly, listen careful. On the left side in that box, we have a yo-yo. On the right side, all the way over on the end, there's a green car in the box. And in the middle there, we have a dump truck, a paper clip, and a roller skate. Now we're going to put a circle around two things. Listen, two things we need to listen for. The object that is heavier than the yo-yo, and it would be lighter than the car. You have to be able to say yes for both of them. So let's look at the dump truck. Is the dump truck heavier than the yo-yo? There's one yes, but we need two. Is the dump truck lighter than the car? No, so it's not the dump truck. Let's take a look at the paper clip. Is the paper clip heavier than the yo-yo? No, so we already have a no, so we know it's not that. Let's look at the skate. Is the skate heavier than the yo-yo? Yes, that's one yes. Is it lighter than the car? There's our second yes. So it would be the skate. Put a circle around that. Pretty good. Take a look around your house. See if you can find a couple things. Compare them. See which is heavier, which is the lightest. Put them in order. Maybe take a picture and show us. Lightest, heaviest, between. Hey, we'll see you next time. Take care. I love you. Miss you. Bye-bye.